welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a super exciting unboxing. I am going to be unboxing all the makeup from Center of Attention Cosmetics. So I have two massive parcels here. I did have to do it in two separate orders just because some of the things sold out. So I was like, just get the ones that I could and then go back in and try and get the things that kept selling out. I did miss out on a few items on launch day, but I basically brought everything. So if you want to see what I've got, make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so I've got the two boxes here. I'm going to start off with the big one and then go to the small one. But this was packaged very, very well, so thank you so much, Courtney. Now, I absolutely love Courtney. I have pretty much everything that she does already. I have all of her paint palettes and everything. I've got a lot of her merch as well. And last year, I did actually get to meet Courtney twice. So I got to meet her at the Perth Hair and Beauty Expo for the first time. And then I actually had her come and do a makeup class for my mother-in-law and her friends for the mother-in-law's 60th birthday. So yeah, I totally look up to Courtney. She's such an inspiration. I would love to be able to do my makeup like she does one day. She inspires me to really get creative. So here is the big box. So excited. I've also brought like mystery boxes from Courtney previously. I have her complete brush set. I actually have two of these sets already. That's how much I'm obsessed with her products. She knows what she's doing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a packed to the brim. Look at all these items. Alright, so what I've decided to do is today is just going to be an unboxing. So I'm going to show you what I picked up, but I will do a separate video on using the products and some like wear tests and stuff. So make sure you stick around so then you can see that video. So first product I have here is the setting spray and it is called Finish Her. Now, I'm pretty sure she used this on me on the day and my makeup looked absolutely amazing. So I'm so excited to have this in my collection now. And I have a feeling this might turn into my holy grail setting spray. I currently use the MAC Fix-It Prep and Prime, so excited to give that one a shot. So she launched 6 loose pigments. They're neon pigments, so I picked up all 6 of them. So they're all here. So there is a purple, a green, a yellow, orange, pink, and a blue. And what the colour is what they're named. So let's show you them quickly. Okay, so this is the purple neon pigment. Really, really pretty. I'm not normally a purple person, but I do some purple looks and I can't go past a neon pigment. So super excited to have that one. Okay, next one is green, and I have been doing a lot of green creative looks, so I'm super excited to have this one. Look how vibrant that is. Like, that is pure neon green. Super exciting. Next one is yellow, and this one is the one that I wanted mainly because March is Endometriosis Awareness Month and that's only around the corner. So I'm excited to see what I can create with this yellow neon pigment. Absolutely stunning. So bright and vibrant. Okay, next one is orange. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is so neon. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get this on my eyes. Next one is pink, and we all know that I love pink. I mean, I'm all pink today, and my hair's pink, so super excited for this one. Oh my god, it is so neon. Look at that. It like matches my hair. So excited! And the last loose pigment is a blue. And that is a really stunning shade as well. So super excited to have those pigments. As I said, I will do a separate video using the items and giving you first impressions and some wear tests and stuff. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see that video in the coming weeks. Okay, next I picked up 4 highlighter pigments. So I've got Bougie Girl, and we all know your girl loves highlighter, so I couldn't help but get these. So this is the Attention Whore highlighters. So this one's in Bougie Girl. It's like a really nice like goldy colour. The packaging of all of this is actually really pretty as well. The next one is Pink Diamonds. I have a feeling this one's going to be one of my favourites. That is really, really, really pretty. Next one is Angelic, and again this one's going to be one of my favourites because I absolutely love, love, love the white champagne sort of highlighters, and I do like to put them on my inner corners. And the last loose highlighter pigment, this one is in Ice Baby. So this one looks absolutely stunning. Next I picked up all of her eye primers. So I picked up 6 of them. So they're all in different shades. So we've got 3 of your more like neutral colours and then 3 actual colours. And this one is shade White. So this is really good when you want to use a colour on top. It makes it really, really pop. Next one is the Light Beige. Now this is probably more like my eye colour. It might be a little bit darker than my eye colour, but it looks like this. So this is the one that I would use like as an everyday eye primer for any look. The third neutral sort of colour is a medium beige, so it looks like this one. Then we've got the 3 colours. So first I have Lilac, so a purpley colour, just looks like this. So this is really good for layering purple pigment or shadow over top, or you could set it down with just like a translucent powder as well. Next one is the shade Mint. So this is like a greeny colour, a greeny, like a nice tealy green. Really, really pretty. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this one because I do a lot of tealy green sort of looks. And the last one is Pink, and we know this one is probably going to be the first one that goes because your girl loves pink. This one I'm super excited about. Absolutely stunning, love them. So then I picked up the Pretty Dead FX palette. Now I already have both of her other paint palettes. One's a water activated one and one's an oil based one. This one is a combo of the oil based and water activated paints. Now I didn't get the rest of her SFX range just yet, and that is because I don't know how to use any of those other products yet. So for now I just stick to just using the paints. But super excited to have this one in my collection now. Okay, next up I have some of her lip glosses here. I've just noticed I've got a few multiples in here. So first up I have the Glass Act Mega Pint Lip Gloss. Now her formula is meant to be hands down, so I cannot wait to give these ones a try. So this one was Mega Pint. Looks like that. Then I have Glass, which is more of like a clear one with some little gold flecks in it. And then I have Skinny Dip, which looks like this, a really nice like nude sort of one. Then we have Red Rum, and this one I'm the most excited about because, you know, I love my reds and pinks, so it's super excited to give this one a try, and it looks like a true red as well. I did miss out on Flushed and Fame, but she has thrown in some freebies for me here as well, and one of them is Flushed, so I'm super excited about that one. So yeah, this is the shade Flushed. So she has thrown in a fair few freebies for me, plus that Flushed one. So super excited, and thank you so much, Courtney. I really, really, truly appreciate that. Next up, I have Fluidity. Now, my understanding is it's like the Duraline. So it just comes like this, and it basically makes anything like into a liquid and waterproof. So I normally use them to make like a liquid eyeliner and stuff. So super excited to get that. Then I got a Blackout, which is the black gel liner. So it comes in a little tub like this, super cute. I'm not the best at doing liners out of a pot, but I definitely want to try, so I'm excited to have that to practice with. Then I also got the white long-lasting eyeliner gel. So it looks like this. Again, just one of the pots. I unfortunately missed out on the dark brown, but soon as it's restocked, I definitely will be picking it up again. I then also got the Plush as Puck Lip Moisturizer. So it looks like this. Absolutely stunning. If I didn't have a lipstick on right now, I definitely would have swatched these for you guys. So first, I have her little highlighter palette here. So this is the Attention Whore highlighter palette. So it's got 6 shades in there. Has your little packaging on top and then the actual palette. And how stunning is that artwork? So then inside, this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. I know some of the shades will be too dark for me, but that's okay. I can use them as eyeshadows. I'm super excited to give this a shot. And I'm not sure if you can see on her packaging, but it's like actually glittery. Really pretty. By the way, these are her brushes as well. I have 2 sets of her brushes and I absolutely love her brushes. They're absolutely amazing quality. Okay, last thing in this package is the big one. We have the Big Giant palette. So this palette is meant to be like a one-stop shop palette. So you're meant to be able to have everything that you need in this palette. So I did actually get to play with this palette when she was here for my mother-in-law's 60th. She used this formula on me and it lasted all night. And when I say I have like really bad hot flushes and struggle to get things to look as good as when they were first applied, there was no fault with this. It was on like as though she had just done it after like 12 hours. So this is the palette cover, sorry. Looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that. So let's open the palette and show you what it looks like. Oh my god. I'm just going to take this plastic piece off just so you can see it without it. Comes with a giant mirror, by the way. But look at that. Oh, I'm in love. Alright, let's do 2 swatches. Let's go with Suki Lala, which is one of the pressed glitters. And let's go with Fuck. Because that is one of my favorite ones. And that is a shimmer. So here's what it looks like. So this is a pressed glitter. Oh, look at that. And then this is Fuck, which is the shimmer. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, love it. I cannot wait to play with it. So then I picked up the Snatch Stick. Now, unfortunately, heaps of these did sell out, so I wasn't able to get all the shades I wanted. But this is in Fair Warm. So this is her Snatch Stick Contour Cream. So I just picked up Fair Warm, which actually I think this one might be okay. Okay, so then I got all of the eyeliners. So these are just the gel liner pencils. So number 1 is just a black shade. Number 2 is a white shade. Number 3 is like a reddy orangey shade. Number 4 is a green. Number 5 is a yellow. That's perfect timing for Indoor Awareness Month. Number 6 is a blue. Now there's no number 7. I think number 7 didn't make her cut. Number 8 is a purple. Number 9 is a pink. You all know we love the pinks. And number 10 is the brown. So that is everything that I picked up from Center of Attention Cosmetics on launch night. I can't wait to see what else she brings out, and I'm looking forward to the restock. The dogs are all going nuts because we're about to go to the vets now. Oliver and Archie are unfortunately having to have some surgery today. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to play with everything. So if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!